Hi, I'm Tim Jarrett, Director of Product Management, and we're talking about 5 essential steps to shift security left. Step 3, avoid false alarms. A practical consideration for doing application security testing is avoiding false alarms. Application security testing, like other types of testing, including things like blood tests and other medical diagnostics, can suffer from false alarms. Cases where the test returns a result indicating that there's a problem when none really exists. It's common for earlier generations of application security tools to return false alarms, and this is because of the way they're designed. Early generations of application security tools were designed to be used by an application security professional who wanted to know about all the possible issues in a piece of software and was not worried about false positives, instead planning to screen out those issues before passing them to a developer. The problem with that approach is that makes those tools very difficult to integrate into a DevSecOps or shifted left workflow because the results have to be reviewed before the developer can process them. Modern tools need to take this into account and tune both for maximum coverage, making sure that all the critical types of security issues are found, but also tune for low noise so that developers aren't troubled with lots of false positives and eventually end up deciding to remove testing from their workflows. The problem with false positives as you're shifting security left is that the entire goal of shifting left and bringing application security testing closer to the developer is to automate the process so that it can happen as quickly as possible with minimal disruption to the development team. If you automate testing that has lots and lots of false positives, you'll be unnecessarily stopping the development team's delivery process, forcing them to deal with the false positive findings, delaying their schedule, and ultimately putting the delivery of the business value that the software represents at risk. For this reason, many organizations that tried to use early generations of application security tools with their developers ended up either putting them on the shelf or testing very late in the process when it was practically too late to do anything about the findings. By adopting a solution that has a lower false positive rate, you can get the benefit of application security testing without unnecessarily disrupting developer workflow.